Okay, now get the coil on the back side. We'll take off our tape so we can feed it down around here on the inside of this bar. We'll feed it up to the front half of the machine into the entry guide. Once you're at this point, you want to make sure you back off your pressure on your wear pads, on your brake pads, so this will spin freer. And what you do is you just keep spinning it and feeding it through. Stop. Okay, the next step is once you get out here, before you put into the entry guide, you want to snip off an inch to 2 inches off the corner so the tabs don't stick up and get caught on the station. The next step is bring it around and feed it into your entry guide. And slide in until you hit your first entry drive roller. Okay. Now what we want to do is plug in the main connecting power to the machine. You got a notch. The notch will always face up into the machine, and grab the sleeve part and thread it on in. Okay, now what we want to make sure is we're in the jog position. Make sure our switch is in the forward position. We'll pull out emergency stop. With the electric motor, you just push the button and release to start the motor. With the first step is to turn on the fuel, flip it all the way down. We'll turn the fuel on. Next is we'll set our throttle to 1/3 of the way up. And we'll also pull the choke out for cold starts in the morning. Let's pull it out about halfway so we can start it up.
Zoom out and show where you're at. Perfect.
On the gas engine, same thing, pull out your emergency stop, but on the motor, you want to hold it in until it fires up, then release. And now what we'll do is we hit the green jog button and kind of push in the material with your hand so it engages. And you just slowly just keep jogging about 6 to 8 inches at a time. Once you're about halfway, we'll walk to the end of the machine. What we'll do is we'll open up this cover. Have to exit into hinge one. We'll lay it down. And then we'll come to the box where it says start feed, and we'll continue jogging it through. Once you get close to the shear, you just want to jog through a little bit more slowly. Make sure it doesn't hit on anything. Then you'll see it come out through the shear. Then what you do next is once you're out past the shear, hit your shear down button and release it.